Pine City Apiary. This is Paul and there's Josh, and we're going to be taking a look at Josh's hive stripe, and see how they're doing. See if they're growing okay and if they need any more bars to be put in there. Now we checked them a few days ago to see if they need food, and they did not. But we're going to check that again. If they do, we'll give them some more. All right, let's go do this. So Joshy's hive stripe. Hello. Set the brake. There you go. Now they did not need, they still don't need any. All right, so you want to clear off.
I can grab these guys.
Oh. Take that cover back off.
Cover?
That red cover you just put on. Because you need to be able to get at the bars. And then that camera got moved.
Sorry. Good. Good enough.
So you're going to want to take the inner, that fouling board out.
This?
Yep. What's that called?
Falling bird?
You always want to make sure there's no queen on it. And then what I found that works good for these is to use these guys and just hang it from that.
Oh. No queen.
Right? You don't want to hold the combs like that. You want to try to get in the habit of keeping like that. Then if you need to turn it, you want to flip it over. You don't want to do that. What you want to do, watch. What you want to do is take it like this, come around, or like that. But you always want to keep the plane vertical, up and down.
Okay. I don't think they need this anymore.
Yep, that can go back to the table.
Yep.
You want to go do that?
See.
All right.
Ouch.
All right.
Okay.
Got some bees working over here, cleaning up the cells. What are they doing on that side? Yep. They've got some capped honey. I don't know if that's, I think that probably is new. Working on that, clean that up. They got some honey on that one. All right.
The bees have been working hard.
Yep. Okay, and this one, on this side, we've got brood. What's your side look like? Oh yeah, there's a lot of brood there. Okay, the next comb is a new comb. I think this is the one that we had the queen cage on, and we had to fix it last time. Looks like fix went well. A lot of brood on it. Shoot. A little windy today. A lot of brood on it. Yep, looks good. So they did a good job of fixing that. We tore it when we took the queen cage off.
What happened? This hive became a slacker.
We don't want any slackers. This is also a new comb for them. They've got a lot of brood in here, but the one bee's got a lot of pollen on her. A lot of brood there. Got some uncapped brood as well. Careful how you remember, keep it up and down. Oh, lots of brood on that one too.
Oh,
Yep. A lot of brood. Oh, a lot of brood on that one too. Very good. All right, so we're going to give them a bar right here.
bar here.
Yep. They've earned another bar. Don't do that.
Oops. That's why I injured bee.
What you do is you just bump them, and they'll move off of there.
I just killed a bee. Oh no!
A lot of brood on this side. A lot of brood on that side. Okay, this next bar, they had just started building some comb.
You?
Go ahead and take a look at it. So we'll see how they're doing on it.
Wow. Oh.
Connected.
Yep. Those silly bees.
They connected. Just set it down. It's got honey on it, so maybe the bees will eat it up.
Well, I just killed. Uh-oh. I just made a murder. I just killed the lava.
It's okay. Well, there's the queen.
Oh, queen?
Yep, she's right there.
Ooh,
Here.
thank goodness. I almost killed a queen.
All right, so let's get them buttoned up.
Right there.
I don't like that comb, but I'm not going to do anything with it because she's on there.
I almost killed a queen. Right?
I reckon. All right, and then it works better, Josh, if you. There you go. Not so violently, just gentle bumps. All right.
Yeah,
See,
bad
and then,
job.
And then this one went in there. And then the following board.
I'm sad.
Yeah.
I almost commit a murder.
All right, and then go ahead and cover everything up. the hive tool on there and let him clean it up.
Oh no.
It's fine like that. Got a couple of bars to straighten out before you close.
I'm sad, Dad. Dad,
Yeah.
are you disappointed on me?
Nope. Did a good job.
That's good.
All right. Do you want to take your veil off?
Nope.
We'll wrap up.
Nope. You people. Nasty, nasty.
All right.
Okay. We found a queen. I almost sliced her. I feel bad.
Yeah. We added a bar.
We added a bar. That's a good news.
Mm-hmm.
A queen bee is not getting harm.
Yep. They've got they got a lot of brood. Thought we saw some eggs. Overall, they're doing very well. They're really bringing stuff in right now.
Yep.
So,
There's a lot of pond today.
all right.
Do you like it? If you watch this video, give a thumbs up. A thumbs up is super cool. You too, you super cool. Give me and Dad one.
All right.
Do you know
What else?
subscriptions?
That's right. Have you subscribed to the channel yet?
Do you subscribe to the channel yet? Doesn't cost you anything.
That's right. It's free.
It's free.
And you get what you pay for.
It's free. You don't have to pay much.
All right.
Okay.
As always, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.
Yep.
All right.
I'm good.
Good.